Welcome to the Content Kitchen, where ideas sizzle and shine. With Elevate the Narrative, your brand will truly climb.
Hey friends, making thumbnails is extremely time consuming. If you're someone like me that's giving a lot of speaking sessions or you're making a lot of slides, sometimes you just want to be able to make some quick changes to it to be able to deliver it to other people for promotional purposes. So I'm going to show you one of the quickest ways that you can possibly do that. I've got one of my speaking sessions up here, and it just so happens that I'm doing it for IARP. So you can see I've got their colors from their logo loaded up here into Canva. So it's very, very simple for me to just kind of come in here and swap out the colors. In this graphic, for example, I can come in and match those to the logo. And you simply do that just by clicking on the button, and you can decide which color it is that you want. And if you want to fill it with a very specific color, you can use the eyedropper and do it very simply that way. Or you can pull the color from the logo. It's going to show up here under your photo colors. Okay, see it here. Here's the logo. So here is my little hack and the thing that I absolutely love. So that's kind of like a no-brainer, right? That's easy stuff. But your photo, if you're going to put your headshot in here and you wear something that is, one solid color, it's going to make your life so easy, because what you can do after you remove the background is you can hit this edit button and check this out. You can go into adjust and you can pick the color of your dress. In this case, in my original photo, it's like this dark blue. So here I actually took this and I made it match the colors that are the IARP logo. How cool is that? Now, if it's something else, if I'm going to go in and do a CPCU event, maybe I'm going to flip it to a darker red like this. And then I can come in here and I can just very simply swap out my colors. If you've got the brand kit loaded, it's even easier. So for example, if I switch this to the Institutes and I go to that brand kit, I can just start swapping out colors in a few seconds. And you find kind of what you like that matches their stuff. How cool is that? So very, very simple way to update thumbnails. It's not taking you forever, but it's very customized for the people that you're delivering it to. It looks clean and polished and can really make the difference for your marketing and promotion. I hope you found it helpful. Thanks. Bye.